Surabhi and I share not only our striking good looks and wardrobe but also our birthday, which leads to endless debates each year. But this time we decided to explore a new country together to celebrate our special day. And we arrived at a truly exciting destination, Resorts World Sentosa, Singapore. Well, I guess we have made a fantastic choice because where else could we experience the perfect combination of adventure, fun and exquisite luxury all in one place. Thus, we were all set to spread our wings and explore Universal Studios Singapore, Southeast Asia's first and only Universal Studios theme park located on Sentosa Island, offering a thrilling blend of blockbuster movie-themed attractions, including the world's tallest pair of dueling roller coasters. As we strolled through the theme zones, each one as fascinating as the last, we couldn't believe our eyes. We hopped on the most thrilling rides and met characters that we'd only seen in the movies. We battled through rapids and turned our world topsy-turvy. Indeed, it turned out to be one of our best birthdays. There was so much to do that we were spoiled for choices. After a day of fun, it was time for us to grab a bite, and we headed to the gourmet park inside Resorts World Sentosa, which had a bunch of food trucks offering some sizzling delights. The next morning, we woke up amidst a lush green rainforest at treetop lofts. Nestled in the heart of such natural splendor, Survi and I felt transported to a place that we could only describe as paradise. Looking forward to yet another fun-filled day, we zoomed to Adventure Cove Waterpark for some splashing fun. With no time to spare, we raced to the thrilling rides, zooming down the riptide rocket, splashing at the big bucket tree house, embracing the waves in the blue water bay, swirling down the tidal twister and relaxing under the sun while gently floating along the adventure river. We dived into a mesmerizing underwater world where vibrant fish darted past and our eyes were dazzled by the kaleidoscopic colors of over 20,000 reef inhabitants. Filled with exhilaration, we settled down for a meal at the Bay restaurant to calm our growling stomachs. Well, it felt like we have not had enough of the marine world and thus decided to spend the night in the Aquarius Ocean Suite. Well, it's nearly impossible to sleep when marine creatures glide past right in front of your bed. Feng Shui is an absolute paradise for food lovers. Oh, the joy of waking up in the company of one of the world's most intelligent animals, dolphins. Heading to the Dolphin Island, we met the magnificent Indo-Pacific bottlenose dolphins. To end the day, we planned to sip on some amazing cocktails at Ocean Restaurant. Sitting with our drinks and gazing into the depths of the marine habitat was an experience that we surely won't forget anytime soon. And finally, it was the last day of our birthday trip. It was time to explore the Southeast Asia Aquarium, which proudly holds the title of one of the world's largest aquariums. We marveled at the sight of 100,000 marine wonders in the open ocean habitat, surrounded by varieties of marine life from fishes, sharks, and even glowing sea jellies. We were transported to the depths of the ocean. Standing side by side, we were not only glad to witness this spectacular sight but also overjoyed to share such an extraordinary day, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Our time in RWS will be etched in our memories forever, and we couldn't have had a better celebration. If you're traveling to Singapore, make sure to experience the goodness and thrill that lingers at RWS, and we bet you'll have the time of your life.